How to get more storage on Snapchat. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more storage on Snapchat. So let's get started. Recently, Snapchat has updated their policy, and if you have any memories within Snapchat greater than 5 GB, then by the end of the next year, all of those memories will be deleted until and unless you have bought storage or download all of those memories to your camera roll. So if you want to upgrade the storage, you need to upgrade to Snapchat Plus. For that, you gotta head over and click on the profile at the top left, and then you're gonna click on this gear icon at the top right. At the top, you'll be able to see Join Snapchat Plus for whatever country you're residing in. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see all of the perks apart from upgrading the storage as well. Click on Next, and then you can select the plan. If you have numerous other plans, you should be able to see them over here. Then click on Continue. After that, simply choose the payment method you have active right now, and you're good to go. So that is basically how you can get more storage on Snapchat. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.